Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a widget on Android to make your home screen more useful and personalized. Now let's get started. Step 1. Tap and hold on an empty space on your Android home screen. This will bring up options to customize your layout. Step 2. Select Widgets from the list of options that appears. This opens a menu with all available widgets on your device. Step 3. Browse through the widgets and tap once on the one you want to add, like the Google Chrome search bar. This lets you quickly access that app or feature from your home screen. Step 4. The selected widget will now appear on your home screen, ready to use. To move a widget, tap and hold the one you want to reposition. You'll feel a slight vibration or see it lift slightly from the screen. Drag the widget to the location or screen where you want it. You can move it between screens or place it in a more convenient spot. Release the widget when it's where you want it, and tap to confirm the placement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.